Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Nigeria's oil production crashed by about 14.94 million barrels in the second quarter of this year. By losing this much oil, Nigeria's oil earnings plunged by about $1.7 billion. The Internal Monetary Fund will cut its global economic growth outlook substantially in its next update, as finance chiefs grapple with a shrinking list of options to address the worsening risks. The US dollar has been on a surge against major global currencies in the past year, recently hitting levels not seen in 20 years. It has gained 15% against the British pound, 16% against the euro, and 23% against the Japanese yen. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 1.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 2% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil gained 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The US NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US total net TIC flows will be released at 2000 hours GMT. Italy's trade balance EU at 0800 hours GMT. The UK's Rightmove house price index at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.